All right, gang. Picked up this brand new toy that I wanted to show off to you. I have a little bit of an older vehicle, a 2013, so it just has a CD player and a radio inside of it. It doesn't have anything like Carplay or anything like that. So I wanted to upgrade it a little bit, and that is where this came in. What we got here is this big, beautiful 8-inch screen here, which is a way to quickly add CarPlay and Android Audio to your vehicle. It comes with a long power cord. It comes with a 2K dash cam as well, and an SD card to install on it. And it can hook to almost any stereo setup. It's got a Bluetooth transmitter in it. It has an FM transmitter if your car only has radio, and it has an auxiliary out. So any way that you need to plug this into your stereo, it will probably work for you. Setup was a breeze on this. It's got a plate that you can put almost anywhere on your dash. And once it's in, connecting it to CarPlay for me was super simple. Screen itself is very big, very bright, very beautiful, super responsive. Been using it now for a few weeks in my vehicle, and I could not be happier. Ultimately, I think if you're in the same situation I was and you're needing to add a little upgrade to your car stereo system and want a good, easy way to add Android Audio or CarPlay to it, this is probably the way you should go. Check it out. I think you're going to love it.